Hey boys and girls, Miss Hatch here, just trying to continue to work on word problems and problem solving. I have 3 different word problems. We are going to pause the video and work in our math journal on a word problem each day this week. Might be a couple, see how far you can get through. But I'm going to remember the first thing, and that is that last week we talked about the cube strategy and how the cube strategy helps us to problem solve. So I'm going to go through before I do anything, and I'm going to make sure to think about that cube strategy. So my first word problem says Mr. Hobbs has some basketballs to practice with. The gym had 38 more basketballs. Now he has 56 basketballs. How many basketballs did Mr. Hobbs have to start with? Well, the cube strategy tells me to do C, which is circle the numbers. So I'm going to circle my 2 numbers, 38 and 56. U is to underline the question. So I'm going to start at my question mark. I'm going to go up to the word how, because that's the beginning of my question. How many basketballs did Mr. Hobbs have to start with? So to start with, I kind of feel like that is B, box keyword. Start with is meaning it begins. That's the part I don't know is the beginning. So now I'm going to keep looking for keywords that I can box. Oh, Miss Cameron is in here with me, and she is kind of wanting to be a part of the video. Let's see here. So I'm going to box the word some. Some is the part we don't know. That's the unknown. So that's the question mark. And it's in the first sentence. So that means the first part of my equation is going to have a box in it. So Mr. Hobbs has some basketballs to practice with. The gym had 38 more. So more is usually an addition keyword. And this one I'm going to add 38 basketballs to Mr. Hobbs' pile. And now we talked about as a group of second grade teachers, now could sometimes even be a keyword to show that that's at the end after the equal sign. So now I'm going to do E, which is eliminate any extra information. Here I don't really feel like there's any extra information. It's all important. So I'm not going to do the E. And then S is solve, which is, you remember, solve has 3 parts to it. The first is to set up my equation. The second is to use a fact family triangle. And the third is to choose a strategy. So I am going to draw my equation. Mr. Hobbs has some, so remember that's the part I don't know. The gym had 38 more, so I'm going to add 38 to my pile of basketballs. And now usually means equal sign. He has 56. So now my second part of solve, S, is to draw a fact family triangle. So I'm going to draw, ooh, goodness, that is really bad right there. Let's start that again. Draw my fact family triangle. Remember, the minuses go here. Pluses go at the bottom because we've got to add to get the bigger number. The whole is at the top. So I always put the biggest number at the top. So 3 is my biggest number. 2, 1. Now I'm ready to label my equation. I see this is an addition problem. So addition is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So 56, and it is the biggest number out of all of them. So it would go at the top anyway. 56 goes there. 2 has 38. And then box. So remember, I like to circle the 2 numbers that I know. And then see what sign I have. Oh, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to choose a strategy now. I can do base 10. I can do stack it up. I can do number line. Or I can do decomposing. let me see. I think I am going to do, how about base 10 this time? So 56. When I'm subtracting, I don't ever build the bottom number. I just build the top number. So 56, the biggest, is what I'm going to build. And I need to take away 38. So I need to take away 8 ones. But I can already see that I don't have 8 ones. I only have 6. So I need to trade in one of my 10s for 10 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough ones. So now I can take away 8 ones from 38. Remember 38 was my other number I'm taking away from 56. So 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. So 8 ones left. Now how many 10s do I need to take away? I need to take away 3. So 1, 2, 3. So I only have 1 left, 1 10 left. So 18 plus 38 equals 56. And I can already see by knowing my number sense that smaller number plus smaller number equals bigger number. And that is how it should be in an addition problem. Go ahead and stop this video. I'm not going to have you pause it. Instead, I'm just going to have you stop the video here. And I'm going to have you go work on your problem in your math journal. Talk to you tomorrow.